Hey guys, a quick video tutorial on setting up two-step or two-factor authentication for your Facebook account. Stick around. So the first thing you want to do when you sign into Facebook is in the top right corner, hit the little arrow and go down to settings. And in here, security and login in the top left corner. And then on this page you can see some information you can do and run through, but click on the use two-factor authentication. It may say to turn on or edit, and you can ignore the screen that might ask you to leave the page. So when it takes you over to this next page, then you'll be able to turn on the two-factor authentication. In my case it's already on. Set your mobile number for receiving the SMS messages, and you can also use an authenticator app. If you want it to go in there, you can click add new app and use that instead. And then if you scroll down a bit, you'll see there's a couple of backup options. One of them is recovery codes for when you're traveling, and then there's a security key, which is a special USB device that allows you to recover your account in case something happened to it and you don't have access to your phone. If you go to set it up, you'll see there's actually a little picture of the device. It is a little different. It even has a light indicator on it. The recovery codes you can see in here are good for when you're traveling, but you only have up to 10 that you can use, so you want to use those sparingly. So if you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell to be notified of future videos as they come out, especially when we do the odd live feed. And check out one of these other videos as well on the two-factor or two-step authentication methods for some of these other popular accounts. Alright, that's it for this video. Look forward to seeing you again in another one. Bye for now.